Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of home workouts. Let's face it, hitting the gym isn't always feasible. Whether it's time constraints, gym memberships, or simply a preference for personal space, working out at home is a fantastic option. And guess what? You don't need a fancy home gym or expensive equipment to get fit. With a little creativity and the right guidance, your living room can transform into your personal fitness studio. So grab your water bottle, find a comfortable space, and let's get started on your home workout journey. Benefits of home workouts. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about why home workouts are so amazing. Work out on your schedule, no commute or gym hours to worry about. Cost effective, save money on gym memberships and expensive equipment. Privacy, feel comfortable and confident working out in your own space. Versatility, tailor your workouts to your preferences and fitness goals. Essential home workout equipment, optional. While you can definitely achieve great results with just your body weight, having a few pieces of equipment can enhance your workouts. Here are some affordable and versatile options. Resistance bands, great for strength training and flexibility. Dumbbells, add variety to your strength training routine. Yoga mat provides comfort and support for floor exercises. Full body home workout routine. Let's get moving. Here's a sample full body workout routine you can do at home. Remember to warm up before starting and cool down afterward. Warm up, light cardio. Jumping jacks, high knees, butt kicks, and dynamic stretches. Workout, bodyweight squats, lunges, push-ups, crunches, plank, bicycle crunches, burpees. Repeat for multiple rounds. Nutrition and recovery. While exercise is crucial, don't forget about the other pillars of fitness, nutrition and recovery. Fuel your body. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Here are some tips to stay motivated. Set realistic goals. Start small and gradually increase the intensity. Find a workout buddy. Exercise with a friend for extra motivation. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements with non-food rewards. Mix it up. Try different workouts to prevent boredom. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. The most important thing is to get moving and find a workout routine you enjoy. Home workouts offer convenience, affordability, and privacy, making them a fantastic option for achieving your fitness goals. So what are you waiting for? Create your own home gym and start transforming your body and mind today.